XAIR stock analysis and beyond air stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. So especially looking at beyond air, this thing pumped like crazy and also dumped like crazy. It's extreme on both ends, and I myself have done well over 42,000 videos. I've seen what's personally making me money and what's not. I have nothing wrong to say against, you know, XAIR, but the truth and the reality is that you can see like it tapped my supply, but I was like, yeah, I'm willing to take it further down, and that was just my bias, because trading that, it's not gonna happen, at least not from my end. But again, this is only for now and not forever. And I'm open-minded for longs. I mean, look, if there is a full candle close above 32 cents or a full, like a big catalyst or something, then yeah, sure, why not buy? But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.